Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day. Right, today I was at Morrison's and I managed to pick myself up a sea salt and black pepper bloomer. So I'm going to have a bit of fresh bread. I've got some leftover bacon which I need to use up. I've got some leftover cheese which runs out today, which I need to use up. I've got some black puddings which have still got a bit of date on them, so I'll probably have a couple of them. And gonna have a couple of eggs. Do you ever have one of them days? Just make sure it's all covered. I'm going to use a bit of that in there. And hopefully I remember to take it out. Call this bacon, I'll tell you. Streaky. It's all going a bit that way, isn't it? Saying like that, you know, as long as it's covered, most of it. Maybe not as good as the other one, but I'm sure it'll taste the same. That's the hard bit done. Now for the easy bit, the enjoyable bit. There you go. So I'm just going to chuck them in a pan. Let them sizzle away for a bit. Bit of butter. While it's doing that, I'm just going to cut this bloomer off. That's it. Lovely. Bet that for another day. Right, I'm just going to flip this. gonna cook the bread up in that a bit. Just take on some of that flavour. And obviously from the black pudding and the bacon. Love it. Gonna cook that on both sides, I think. Extra crispy. That's lovely. One side for a minute. A couple of eggs in there. Sorry. Bacon. Oh yeah. Love a bit of that. Oh yeah. They're looking quite tasty now, aren't they? Eggs are looking good as well. Right, I'm going to get them out, I think. Oh. Right, so pan's still hot. I've just wiped the oil out the inside the pan. Right, I'm just going to do that with a bit of cheese. Get the bread straight on there. On there as well. Soak up some of that cheese. Molten cheese. Get some of that around the back of it as well. Nice and cheesy. Ooh. Looking lovely. Right. I think we're about there. That's the other steak out of there. Right. Lovely cheesy bread. Bit of bacon and black pudding. Got another one of them on the side. Where are them eggs? Where is my spatula? I'm going to have one there. One there. Oh. They're going to be lovely and soft. I'm just going to put that goo inside there because I love a bit of that. And there we go, on top. So that is it. Black pudding, bacon. So, let us know what you thought. All in flavours, and the bread is lovely. First time I've had that. That is lovely. I need to go to Morrison's more often. So, if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see some more of me cooking or trying, head over to the channel and you'll find me. I will see everyone later. Take care everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.